The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Model View Controller, a software design pattern. And our guest speaker today is Hina Mehta. She is the Principal Education Training and Assessment at Infosys Technologies. Hina is a Microsoft Certified Solutions Developer, Web Applications and Microsoft Certified Trainer. She is also an IBM Certified Solution Advisor for Cloud Computing Architecture. She has an overall experience of 18 years in the area of information technology and engineering. Databases, application lifecycle management, and Windows Azure are key areas of work along with management-related responsibility. Currently, she is working on SQL Server 2012, SQL Server 2014, and VS 2013 products. So, without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Hina.
Thank you, Aradhana, and good evening, everybody. We will go ahead and get started with the presentation on Model View Controller, a software design pattern. So, starting with what we would cover as part of the session, we move on to the agenda slide. And that's our agenda for today. We will start with understanding what is MVC, what is the need to go for using MVC pattern, adopting MVC pattern while we are developing applications, and then understand how is MVC implemented while we develop ASP.NET web applications. We would see a demo of MVC implementation in ASP.NET and talk about certain crisp and unique features that have been introduced with multiple versions of MVC framework, which is 3, 4 or 5. So with that agenda, let's get started. So we'll go through the presentation and the complete session first. You could probably reserve your questions for the last 15 minutes. So getting started with our first agenda on what is Model View Controller. The MVC is a design pattern which has been designed to provide separation of business logic and presentation logic. This particular pattern helps you in separating domain modeling, the presentation, and the responses based on user input into 3 independent components. And because we have a clear separation